1. Remember the back acronym. The proper technique for lifting and carrying a baby can be overwhelming, and it can be easy to forget all of the steps involved. However, there are a few key points that will always apply. The back acronym is a quick way to remember the most important things to keep you safe. B is for keeping your back straight. A is for avoiding twisting to lift or carry the baby. C is for keeping the baby close to your body. K is for keeping your movements smooth. 2. Avoid mommy thumb. New mothers and people who lift infants often experience inflammation near the thumb and wrist. This condition is called mommy thumb, i.e. de Quervain's tendinitis. If you have pain or swelling around your thumb, a sticking sensation, or difficulty pinching or grasping something with your thumb, you may have mommy thumb. 3. Improve your hip and back flexibility. Hip and back injuries are common among new parents. Restoring your hip and back flexibility will help you prevent injuries. Stretching and light yoga are good ways to get more flexible. 4. Do not carry the baby on your hip. Carrying your baby on one hip is convenient and allows you to do other things with your free hand. However, balancing the baby on your hip puts a strain on your back and hips on one side of your body. Hip carrying can result in pelvic pain and alignment, e.g. back, hip, and pelvis issues.